With millions of dollars made, creators have discovered a gold rush on TikTok. The TikTok Creativity Program allows you to earn thousands and thousands of dollars a month. Rewards are calculated based on qualified views and RPM, which is the average gross revenue per 1,000 qualified views. Picking a good niche is key to success. Your niche and viewers' engagement rate will determine how you are paid for your videos. In this video, I will be providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to create a TikTok account with an educational niche with quizzes and trivias. This niche is proven to attract millions of engagement and views. With the use of AI, making these videos will be a walk in the park. For example, this channel makes quizzes about geography, riddles, and general knowledge. Many of the videos in this channel has at least 1 million views, and that's why this niche is one of the best on TikTok. In the next few minutes, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can achieve this. If you are not from the USA, France, UK, Germany, Brazil, Japan, and Korea, you won't be able to join this program for now. There are other requirements to be eligible for the benefit of this program. You have to have a US-based account, be at least 18 years old, at least 10,000 followers, and at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. There are some other requirements for the best content types which can be found on the TikTok website, one of which is to create high-quality videos of 1 minute plus. And now, I'll show you how to bulk create 300 bulk videos for TikTok. So, let's go ahead and see how we can do this. To succeed at making 300 bulk videos for TikTok, we will need to use 3 tools: ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and Canva. So first we're going to go to ChatGPT and provide a prompt on your niche. For this video, we will carve a niche in the educational content and will be specific on nature quizzes. On ChatGPT, you will give it a prompt to create a chart with 100 nature questions and 4 possible answers. Be sure to be specific to have the AI produce exactly what you want, as you can see on the screen. Yes, this is a prompt that will give you the best results. ChatGPT will then provide you with a table of quiz questions with multiple choice answers and the correct one on the last column. Repeat this process until you have 300 quiz questions. After the results are provided, copy the table only, then open your Google Sheets, paste them there, and save the document. We will be needing them later. After this, open your Canva. You can create a template from scratch, or you can go to videos, search for TikTok quiz, pick one, and customize it to your taste. When the document is open, you'll need to follow these steps. So I go ahead and customize this template to my taste. I make sure that there's just one page. As you can see, there are 2 pages here, but I need just one page for this to work. And now I'm going to make my template to be about 10 seconds long. Then I will go to Element and search for 5-second countdown timer. Then I will place the timer and position it in a nice place here in the quiz template. I'm also going to crop it as 1:1, and I will set the shape to be appropriate for the space. Now the timing and the duration of the timer needs to be set properly. So we're going to right click on the timer, we're going to select show timing, and then we're going to set the timer to appear after the animation of this template, which has an animation at the beginning. Now the timer has to be set to stop at a certain time, so there has to be time to show the answers. And now we're going to add some more customization to change the background color to make it to our taste. And now that that's done, we're going to go again to Element. We're going to select a shape, and that shape is where the answers will be. We're going to put it on top of the timer because after the timer is gone, the answer has to show. So the color also has to change. We're going to also add some borders to it to make it look nicer. And we're going to go to text and select a heading as a placeholder for the answer. So don't forget to add the animation if you'd like to add more visual appeal to the answer. Then make sure you set the placeholder for the answer in the right place in the timeline. Right clicking on it and select show timing in order to place it toward the end of the whole template for this quiz card. This allows the answer to come at the end after the countdown has counted to 0. The answer now pops and you have a nice way to present it. And now to the fun part. We select bulk create. We have the option to upload the document manually. We copy and paste it, or we could upload the document which we created after the ChatGPT response. That's the document we will have to upload now on Canva. After uploading the document on Canva, Canva recognizes it, and now we get to connect all the aspects of this quiz card to the document. As you can see, there are the questions, the option A to D, and the answer. We're going to connect it by right-clicking on each of the elements and connecting them to the corresponding data. Now we get to click on continue. It's going to show us that it's generating 38. Yes, we just used 38 to demonstrate, but this way we can also have 300. This easy. And now we see it's generating, and after waiting for it to generate, we're going to see many more show up here. And that's the fun of creating bulk videos with ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and Canva. And saving it is not that hard. At the top right corner, you have the share option. So you have to click on the share button, and there you're going to see the option to download it, and we're going to select MP4 and save it in our file folder. Now there are two important tips you want to remember when you're creating videos. You need to have a powerful introduction, an introduction that's going to make people to stop scrolling and stay right there and follow your page. So you've been sitting there nicely for a while watching this video, and if you've been really enjoying this video so far, please like this video, let us know down in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Secondly, when you're doing your quizzes, you don't always want to give the right answer, because when you give the wrong answer, some people are going to comment on the page saying that that's the wrong answer, and other people, and then you have the ripple effect. Remember, comments are more valuable than likes. So we want to tap into that. As you can see in this Google Sheet, I had to change one of the answers just to spice things up a little bit. You don't want to do too much of it, you just want to do it at the right spot. And now that we're done with the video, would you like to see the video? Sure, let's go.
What is Earth's largest ocean? Answer B, Pacific. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer A, H2O. Which gas do plants need to photosynthesize? Answer C, carbon dioxide.
Yeah, but wait a minute, how did we get the AI voice? Not to worry, here's how. Now go to the website 11labs.io. 11 Labs has text-to-speech and speech-to-text. We're going to be using text-to-speech to show you how. Sign up and sign in. Write each question and write each answer. Then select the AI voice, generate it. Now you can listen to the output if you like. If you don't like the voice, you can always change the voice to a male or female, or a different voice with different tones, or you could change your own voice with speech-to-speech option. Have it to your taste and download the file. Then place it on the timeline of your video editor. As simple as that. Great! As you can see, we can make lots of videos using these few steps. Go ahead and give it a try and make a success of your TikTok creativity program.